So I'm Julie Suarez. I am born and raised in Ocean County. I've lived here my entire life. The next day, we came back and maneuvered through the area just to try to see how to get home, and it was a mess. The whole neighborhood was a mess. Mystic Islands, which is where I live, I bought my house maybe 6 years before the storm as a single mom, a house I could afford, nice tiny little beach bungalow on a school teacher's salary. Like this was where I was gonna live forever, and it was destroyed. We had a 5-foot water line outside, along the outside of the house. The house was pushed off the foundation. Everything inside was covered in raw sewage and floating to different rooms of the house, and the paint was already like bubbling up on the walls, and it was chaos. Found a place in an even more destroyed area. It's called Ortley Beach. It looked like ground zero. There were about 6 homes that were livable, and we ended up renting one of them. I was fighting with insurance, who at that point had offered me $37,000 as payment for a $200,000 policy, saying, well, you know, that's what we can give you, that's what your house is worth. When I had a mortgage of $135,000. So now I had an SBA loan, I had my mortgage, I had rent on a house. The craziest thing happened after that, which was a blessing. I met, I'm like the 7th person that joined the New Jersey Organizing Project. I met probably the 6th, because she saw the article in the paper and reached out to me and said, would you be interested in joining us so we can try to put our heads together and come up with some solutions for how to get people home. Well, I was one of the lucky ones because this group saved my life. So with New Jersey Organizing Project, we started to rise up, and we started to fight back, and we started to fight for the rights of the people that were going through this, and helping and learning resources and talking to legislators, even driving down to DC to talk to people at HUD, talking to the DCA here, reaching out to Governor Christie, reaching out to all of our state congressmen and senators, and fought back. Having people to work with gives you that opportunity to be at the table where the bills were made and where we could fight for the people that were in situations like us. This experience has taught me that you can't do it alone. It takes a village.